Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akila. In this video, let us understand the event streams in Fabric. So here is the agenda. We are going to see an introduction to the event streams, importance of event streams in the modern data architectures, and the query language used for this event streams, and event streams in terms of Microsoft Fabric and in the real-time scenarios, components and configurations of event streams. So, introduction to the event stream. Event streams are continuous flow of data generated by applications, sensors, systems in real time. So each event represent a significant change of action, such as a user click, a transaction, or sensor reading. This stream enables the capture and processing of data as it occurs. So it facilitates immediate insights and the responses. So event stream versus batch processing. Unlike batch processing that accumulates data for periodic processing, event streams handle data in real time, allowing immediate analysis and decision making. Even streaming systems are designed for low latency and high throughput handling. It supports continuous query and analytics, whereas traditional method emphasize data completeness and integration. So, even streams power use cases such as fraud detection in banking by monitoring the transaction events instantly in the real-time inventory management in retail and telemetry analysis for IoT devices. So social media platforms utilize event streams to update user feeds and track engagement metrics dynamically. It amplifies the diverse industry adoption. So, coming to the importance of event streams in the modern data architecture, the real-time data processing through the event streams accelerates decision cycles. It improves the customer experiences and enables a proactive issue detection. It supports high velocity data environments where instant feedback loops enhance the operational efficiency, such as in predictive maintenance and personalized marketing. So, even streaming platforms inherently support horizontal scaling to accommodate growing data volumes without compromising the performance. Their decoupled architectures using the message brokers enable responsive systems that remain resilient under variable workloads, essential for cloud native and microservices environment. So, coming to the practical use cases, we know that business leverage event streams for fraud detection, customer behavior analytics, and dynamic pricing strategies. So, technologies use cases include monitoring the cloud infrastructure health, real-time telemetry ingestion from connected devices, and enabling automated workflows based on streaming triggers. So, what is KQL? KQL stands for Custo Query Language. What is the role of it? So, we need a language to interact with the streaming data, right? It is nothing but a KQL. It is very powerful and read-only request language. We can't edit the data. It is developed by Microsoft. It is mainly designed to query the large volumes of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. It is optimized for log and telemetry analysis, allowing slicing and dicing of event data with rich functionality to filter, summarize, join, and visualize the results. So, coming to the KQL's role in event stream analysis, KQL facilitates efficient querying of live event streams by enabling real-time filtering. So we can apply the aggregations and pattern detections. It supports time series analysis, anomaly detection, which is crucial for monitoring systems health. KQL's rich set of operators and its interactive environment streamline extracting the actionable insights from the streaming data. So, Fabric plus KQL integration. So, Microsoft Fabric incorporates the KQL to empower users with advanced analytics capabilities over the event streams, without which the complex ETL processes. Integration with Fabric allows seamless querying across the diverse data sources with real-time analytics dashboards, enabling the developers and MLS to operationalize the streaming insights very faster and more effectively. So, even streams in Microsoft Fabric and real time. So, coming to the use cases, Microsoft Fabric delivers native support for event ingestion, storage, and processing with built-in connectors, scalable streams processing engines, and integration with analytic services. It supports at least once message delivery guarantees and end-to-end monitoring. It optimized for enterprise-grade reliability and security. So, use cases for real-time analytics. Fabric supports scenarios such as real-time operational dashboards, anomaly detection in IoT fleets, dynamic recommendation engines, and alerting systems for security breaches, which is very important. These use cases benefit from Fabric's low latency ingestion and scalable processing to maintain continuous visibility and rapid response. So advantages uh, mainly include end-to-end platform integration, seamless scalability across cloud and hybrid environments, comprehensive security and compliance features, and it supports for unified analytics workflows. Fabric reduces time to insight by providing tightly coupled tools and streamlined management for event-driven data pipelines. So key components are like, producers, consumers, brokers, and configuration setups. So event stream architecture consists of uh, producers that generate events and coming to the brokers that buffer and route the data reliably and consumers they process or analyze the events and brokers support decoupling as well, elasticity, and fault tolerance. So, enabling the independent scaling of the producers and the consumers in complex streaming topologies. So setting up event streams involves configuring the producers to send the events, brokers to handle the messaging protocols, and retention policies and consumers to subscribe to relevant topics or the partitions. The key steps include defining the schemas, setting the security controls, and tuning throughput parameters for the optimal flow. So optimizing the event streams requires balancing partitions, uh, message sizes, and retention durations to maximize the throughput and the minimize latency. Implementing retries, circuit breakers, and the monitoring ensures resilience. Additionally, schema evolution strategies and data compression enhance the performance and reduce the storage cost. In summary, understanding the event streams and their role in modern data architecture is crucial for harnessing real-time data processing. KQL enhances this by enabling the powerful querying and analysis within the Microsoft Fabric. Together, they unlock the scalable, responsive solutions for dynamic business and technology needs. Embracing these concepts leads to the smarter, faster decision making. Hope this is very useful. If you like, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.